Unit 7. Room Services. 7.2. Exercise 1. Guest 1.
Hello, room service. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to order a meal. Let's see, the Caesar salad to start with bruschetta, and then some fish. I see there's cod and salmon.
Yes, both are very good. Fresh today, of course.
Okay, well, I think I'll go for the salmon.
That's the sesame salmon, isn't it? There's also the smoked salmon.
Yes, not the smoked salmon. And I'd like some ice cream. Oh, no, wait a moment. How about the apple strudel? That comes with ice cream, doesn't it?
Yes, madam. Vanilla ice cream.
Oh, good. I'll have that then.
So, that's the Caesar salad, bruschetta, the sesame salmon, and the apple strudel. Would you like anything else, madam?
That's it, thank you.
And your room number, please?
Oh, 391.
Guest 2.
Hello, room service. Can I help you?
Can you bring up a couple of meals as soon as possible, please? Is everything on the menu available?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the grilled goat's cheese to start with, and put the baguette with that. That's with brie, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Chicken, bacon, and brie baguette.
Good. And a mixed salad.
Is that just one mixed salad?
Yes, just one. Then the steak. Well done, please. The penne pasta and the creme brulee. No, wait. Make that the chicken instead of the steak.
Right, sir. So that's the goat's cheese, mixed salad, and the chicken, not the steak, isn't it?
Yes, the chicken.
Then the penne pasta and the creme brulee.
That's it. And don't forget the baguette.
Plus the baguette. That will be ready in about 15 minutes.
And it's for 2 people in suite 21.
Right, sir. For 2 people, suite 21. Thank you.
Seven point 2. Exercise 2. Guest 1.
Look, this isn't right. I ordered the Cajun salmon, not the smoked salmon. And I definitely asked for a Caesar salad, not this green salad. Oh, dear. And you've brought the ice cream when I'm sure I said the cheese board.
I'm very sorry, madam. There's been a mistake. I'll change this immediately.
Guest 2.
I'm afraid there's been a mistake. Are you sure you didn't mix me up with somebody else? I ordered the mixed green salad, not the Caesar salad, the garlic bread, not the bruschetta, and tiramisu, and you've brought the creme brulee.
Oh, I'm extremely sorry, sir. I'll correct this at once.
Seven point 2. Exercise 3. Being clear and polite.
Hello, room service. Can I help you?
That's the sesame salmon, isn't it?
So that's the Caesar salad, bruschetta, the sesame salmon, and the apple strudel.
And your room number, please?
Is that just one mixed salad?
That will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Would you like anything else, madam?
Seven point 7. Exercise 1. 1.
Housekeeping department, can I help you?
Yes, I need my suit pressed, but I'm in a hurry. I know it's late, but can you get it done this evening?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir, but today is Saturday and the laundry service closed at 5 p.m.
Oh, how annoying.
2.
Good afternoon, madam. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like some information about the pool. Is it open on Sundays?
Yes, it's open now, but I'm afraid it closes at 6 p.m.
I see, thank you.
Three.
Hello, is that reception?
Yes, can I help you?
Yes. We're in a meeting now which will go on till 9 o'clock or even later. Is that okay for the room?
Well, normally the meeting rooms close at 8 p.m., Monday to Friday.
So we can't go on after 8 o'clock, is that right?
That's right, sir. I'm afraid it's not possible to keep the rooms open after 8 p.m. You see, all the staff go off duty.
Of course, yes.
Four.
Can I get into the fitness centre now? I know it's a bit early.
Well, it's not open just yet, madam. It doesn't open until 8 a.m.
OK, I'll wait until 8. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Five.
Hello. I'd like to leave a message for Mrs. Jones in room 620, please.
Mrs. Jones? I'll just have a look. I'm afraid Mrs. Jones checked out this morning at 8:30.
Oh, she's checked out already. I see. Well, I'll contact her office then. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Seven point seven. Exercise 2. Being clear and polite.
I'm sorry, sir, but today is Saturday, and the laundry service closed at 5 p.m.
I'm afraid it closes at 6 p.m.
It's not possible to keep the meeting rooms open after 8 p.m.
It doesn't open until 8 a.m.
Mrs. Jones checked out this morning at 8:30.